Hi, this is Amey Bapat. Welcome to Innomec Technologies India. With a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and a master's in thermal and fluids engineering from IIT Bombay, I am the founder of Innomec Technologies India, currently serving as a senior mechanical engineer in the organization. I am here to talk to you about Innomec Technologies and how it strives to help the technology ecosystem and the environment, especially the Digital India initiative. Innomec Technologies is a mechanical engineering services and design company and was founded in 2017 with the sole purpose of catering to the mechanical and thermal problems in the electronics industry. In addition, we also aim at demonstrating practical applications of mechanical and thermal technologies to solve engineering problems faced by electronics industry today. Second is offering high quality consultations, displaying innovation in problem solving, providing our clients with the most affordable engineering value addition. To achieve this feat, we collaborate with our customers to understand their challenges. Our client pool includes electronic product developers. First, let me talk a little bit about what we do and how it helps the electronics industry. All electronic devices and circuitry generate excess heat and thus require thermal management to improve reliability and prevent premature failure. There are several techniques for cooling, including various styles of heat sinks, thermoelectric coolers, forced air systems and fans, heat pipes, liquid cooling, and others. Due to recent technological developments and public interest, the retail heatsink market has reached an all-time high. In the early 2000s, CPUs were produced that emitted more and more heat than earlier, escalating requirements for a quality cooling system. More than before, the thermal management has now become a critical problem for the electronics industry and must be handled carefully to ensure the quality of electronic products. This helps the industry to reduce the overall cost and environment budget in developing electronic products, which in turn are critically helpful for the Digital India vision. A smart electronic product thus reduces the burden on environment and helps society to connect with each other easily and effectively, as in the case of social networking and communication. Thermal management requires innovation in thermal technology, and this is what makes Innomec Technologies special and unique. Our thermal design is focused on improvement in heat dissipation methods and applying simulation techniques like computational fluid dynamics to predict the effectiveness of the thermal design in question. This helps our clients to make robust electronic products. There are three major components of thermal design. First is thermal technology selection and its development for a specific product. Secondly, thermal simulation of the product using CAE to detect problem areas before going into prototyping. Simulation helps a designer by giving visual representation of temperature and flow inside a system, and thus helps to implement necessary changes in the design. Third is the thermal design needs an iterative thermal improvement by making mechanical changes in the product, which requires a knowledge of component manufacturability also. These mechanical changes can be on electronic chassis level, board level, or component heatsink level. Our service or product portfolio includes various industries which manufacture electronic products. For example, industries like aerospace, automotive, healthcare, computers and servers, IoT products, telecommunication, and commercial electronics use for our services to make better products. Our dedication and resilience is clearly demonstrated in our projects. Currently, we are working on two main areas. First is giving mechanical engineering services to electronics industry, mainly in the field of thermal management. As discussed earlier, this service is very innovative in nature and is much sought after by the electronics industry today. The profit margins are remarkably high in this field as there is little competition in the field of work who can provide quality work. Most of such services are offered by countries which are already developed, like USA, Germany, etc. Hence, it has a potential of being a good business case for India, as we can give these services from India at a much cheaper rate with excellent quality. We are also working on innovative fan development, which can be used in electronics industry. With our years of expertise and knowledge, we understand that flow rate can and should be of more importance. in cooling. Currently, we are doing a research and improvement of axial fan performance in terms of its flow, delivery and noise. This is a good product development idea which has potential of giving excellent revenues. Currently, all fan development work is carried out in developed countries like USA, Europe, Japan. After this research project, we should be able to provide a better product at cheaper rates from India. This project has a potential to create a lot of quality jobs or employment opportunities in India. This flagship project called the InnoFan project rightly demonstrates our team's dedication and enthusiasm in solving the thermal and mechanical problems for the electronics sector. For over 3 years, Inomec Technologies has devoted its potential to assist various product industries with thermal and mechanical problems. Thus, we propose our strong case for the Startup India Awards and assure you a tangible output and scalability in future. You can also visit our website at www.inomectech.com to find out more about us. Thanks for your time to listen our video. With best regards from Inomec Technologies, this is Amey.